Turkey vs. Europe, which offers more affordable teeth whitening? Teeth whitening has become increasingly popular in recent years, with more and more people looking to achieve a brighter, whiter smile. There are a variety of options available for teeth whitening, from at-home kits to professional treatments at dental clinics. One of the decisions that people often face when considering teeth whitening is where to have the procedure done. Turkey and Europe are two popular destinations for dental tourism, with many people traveling to these regions to take advantage of lower costs for dental treatments. In this article, we will compare the cost of teeth whitening in Turkey and Europe to help you decide which option is more affordable for you. Cost of teeth whitening in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years, thanks to its high-quality dental care and affordable prices. Teeth whitening is one of the most sought-after procedures among dental tourists in Turkey, with many clinics offering professional whitening treatments at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. The cost of teeth whitening in Turkey can vary depending on the clinic and the type of treatment you choose. On average, professional teeth whitening in Turkey can cost anywhere from $100 to $300, which is significantly cheaper than what you would pay in countries like Germany or the UK. Some clinics in Turkey may even offer special deals or discounts for international patients, making teeth whitening even more affordable. In addition to the low cost, many dental clinics in Turkey offer state-of-the-art facilities and highly trained dentists who are experienced in performing teeth whitening procedures. This ensures that you receive top-quality care and achieve the results you desire. Cost of teeth whitening in Europe. While Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, it also comes with a higher price tag compared to countries like Turkey. Teeth whitening in Europe can cost anywhere from $200 to $500, depending on the clinic and the type of treatment you choose. Some countries in Europe, such as Switzerland and Scandinavia, tend to have higher prices for dental treatments compared to others. Despite the higher cost, many people choose to have their teeth whitening done in Europe due to the reputation of European dental clinics for delivering top-quality care. European clinics often use the latest technology and techniques for teeth whitening, ensuring that you achieve the best results possible. However, the higher cost of teeth whitening in Europe can be a deterrent for some people, especially those who are looking for a more affordable option. This is where countries like Turkey come into play, offering professional teeth whitening at a lower cost without compromising on quality. Which option is more affordable? When it comes to comparing the cost of teeth whitening in Turkey and Europe, it is clear that Turkey offers a more affordable option for many people. With prices ranging from $100 to $300 for professional teeth whitening, Turkey provides a cost-effective solution for those looking to achieve a brighter, whiter smile without breaking the bank. On the other hand, Europe may be a better choice for those who are willing to pay a higher price for top-quality care and the latest technology in teeth whitening. European dental clinics have a strong reputation for delivering exceptional results, which may be worth the extra cost for some individuals. Ultimately, the choice between Turkey and Europe for teeth whitening comes down to your personal preferences and budget. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, Turkey may be the ideal destination for your teeth whitening treatment. However, if you prioritize top-quality care and are willing to pay a higher price, Europe may be the better choice for you. In conclusion, both Turkey and Europe offer high-quality teeth whitening options for those looking to achieve a brighter, whiter smile. The decision between the two destinations ultimately comes down to your budget and personal preferences. Whether you choose to have your teeth whitening done in Turkey or Europe, you can rest assured that you will receive top-quality care and achieve the results you desire.